So roof job is looking good over here in Steiner, at the very bottom of Quinlan Road here in Austin, Texas. Steiner Ranch. This is Sergio's, my brother. It's his job. He took down all the roof, or at least 80% of the roof is gone, and getting re-roofed. You can see we're at the very bottom of Quinlan, right next to the river here. Here's Ricky, one of the workers here, one of the main workers here. You guys have been coming fishing every morning, setting out the rods and trying to catch a few fish, so maybe throw a fish bowl at the end of the job. This is beautiful out here. Got some banana trees and some huge pecans on this pecan tree. Look at those. So comparison right there. And this is the house again. As you can see, most of the roof is gone, and we've got a new structure on top of this house. Different design. It's looking beautiful.